This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Carlos Salas. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home nestled in the highly sought-after gated community of Highlands Grace. Featuring a thoughtfully designed open floor plan, this residence includes a versatile den, perfect for a home office, playroom, or guest space. Enjoy the comfort of a spacious family room with brand new carpet. The modern kitchen offers a generous walk-in pantry, ideal for storage and entertaining, and flows seamlessly into the main living area, perfect for gatherings and daily living. Functionality meets luxury with a large laundry room, making household tasks a breeze. This home also boasts numerous upgraded systems for peace of mind and efficiency, including fresh exterior paint 2024, whole home 3-stage water filtration system, whole home surge protection, dual amp UV HVAC system and 50 amp generator inlet box. Be storm ready year-round. Located in a quiet, gated community, Highlands Grace offers a blend of privacy and accessibility, making it the perfect place to call home. Don't miss the opportunity to own this move-in ready gem with exceptional features and upgrades. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review